Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel. Today's topic is healthy aging beyond diet and exercise, the overlooked keys to vitality after 40. Aging well isn't just about eating right and staying active. Those are essential, of course, but there are other hidden habits that play a huge role in how we age. Today, we're going to dive into sleep, social connection, mental stimulation, stress resilience, and purpose, and how these things together can help you feel younger, longer. Sure, a nutritious diet and consistent physical activity are pillars of long-term health, but research from Harvard School of Public Health shows that people who also focus on sleep quality, strong relationships, and mental health live not only longer lives, but better lives. I learned this firsthand with my dad. At 67, he had a decent diet and went on walks, but once he started prioritizing sleep, reducing stress, and reconnecting with old friends, everything changed. His energy, his posture, even his mindset. He went from someone who was just getting through the day to someone who looked forward to each morning again. Listener story. Gloria from Arizona shared, "I didn't feel old until I isolated myself. Joining a book club and sleeping better gave me my spark back." These stories aren't unique. Many studies show that sleep deprivation, loneliness, and chronic stress can age the body faster than poor nutrition alone. Mistake 1. Treating sleep like an afterthought. Sleep regulates hormones, muscle repair, memory consolidation, and more. Skimping on it consistently accelerates aging. Mistake 2. Withdrawing socially or losing deep connections. Isolation isn't just emotionally painful, it's physiologically damaging. Studies show social isolation increases mortality risks similarly to smoking. Mistake 3. Not stimulating your mind regularly. The brain, like a muscle, weakens if not challenged. Mistake 4. Allowing chronic stress to build up. High cortisol levels over months and years lead to inflammation and cellular damage. Mistake 5. Losing a sense of purpose or curiosity. Having a reason to get up in the morning is linked with better cardiovascular health, lower stress, and longer life expectancy. Here's my personal system. First, prioritize sleep. I maintain a strict 10:30 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. window, blackout curtains, and a no-phone rule 1 hour before bed. Second, stay socially connected. I make weekly calls with friends non-negotiable, join local interest groups, and plan shared meals with family. Third, keep learning. For me, that means reading a new book every month, doing puzzles, and exploring online courses. Fourth, build stress resilience. I practice daily breath work, 5 minutes morning and night, write in a gratitude journal every evening, and make sure I spend at least 20 minutes outdoors in nature every day. Fifth, define purpose. I ask myself weekly, what am I excited about? Whether it's teaching, building this podcast, or helping others, I write down my focus for the week. Now let's create your personal plan. Step 1. Audit your lifestyle outside of food and fitness. Write down how many hours of sleep you get, your last meaningful social interaction, your most recent learning experience, how stressed you felt, and whether you have a clear sense of purpose. Step 2. Choose one area to improve first. Sleep, stress, connection, purpose, or stimulation. Step 3. Set up a simple routine around that area. For example, if sleep is the weakest link, commit to setting a wind-down alarm 30 minutes before bed. Step 4. Track your energy, mood, and clarity weekly. Write in a journal or use a habit tracking app. Adjust as needed. Alright friends, that's it for today's episode. If this sparked some inspiration, share it with someone navigating their own healthy aging journey. And don't forget to subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're talking about how to reset your gut health in just 7 days. I'll see you then.